Whose wrench is this?
I don't know. Nobody's?
It's in a dumb spot.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name's Tom. This is my 73 Street Strip F100 nitrous LS setup, and talking today about the new, to me, QA1 installed kit. To get started, QA1 kit is super simple, super user-friendly. The instructions are great. They have pictures, and I don't read good, so that works perfectly for me. The worst part about it was actually what I thought was going to be the easiest part, was taking the old cross member out. There's about 3 dozen rivets that you got to grind down and use an air hammer and chisel out, and that shit sucks because there's no comfortable way to get in here. Obviously, taking the front clip off. For those that don't know, it is 8 bolts to take the front clip off, and if you got a buddy, it makes it a lot easier. You can take it off yourself. It's just a little bit of a backbreaker. So we'll kind of go over some of the stuff that was done. Obviously, QA1 kit, it's got single adjustable coilovers, rack and pinion steering, which is going to make it drive immensely better than what it came with in the factory. Instead of riding like a lumber wagon, hopefully it'll ride better than that. Each one of these bolt hole locations here is a rivet, and then actually if you come around to the back side here, down here, there is 2 more rivets that you have to pop out. And then drill all these holes out to a 1/2 inch. Most of them with the rivets were pretty close to that. And then there's 4 holes up on top here. 3 of them were drilled out. Just had to make them a little bit bigger. I believe it went to 3/8. The old cross member that sat in here is welded on the inside of the frame. If you have a plasma cutter, way easier than trying to do it with a death wheel. Took about 5 minutes and 1 schwack with a hammer. It's kind of a bitch. Like I said, you could use a death wheel. I went a little farther on this side and I removed where the cross member boxing was welded in. But on this side, you can still see the boxing is here. I realized if I would have read the instructions, I would have realized I didn't have to take the boxing out. But yeah, just plasma cut around it. You can pick up, I got a cheapy Jags, I think it's a cut 140. It's like $150 plasma cutter, and it works great for this size material. I don't think I'd go much thicker. As you can see, the engine is missing some pieces. This was a stock 250,000 round engine, 4.8. Nothing special. The only thing I'm currently doing is putting a new cam and springs. It is sitting at 100 shot of nitrous. Probably going to step it up to a 150 shot because why not? Let's send these pistons to the moon, sign them up for NASA. And I have an aluminum block 5.3 that I need to build, but we'll get there someday. That's pretty much it for the introduction of the truck. I don't have any sponsors, so I thank no one. I would like to thank my main sponsor, Dan, as the motor and transmission and nitrous kit, and I think that's it. They're all his, so what a guy. Solid, solid man. So what, just make race car noises?
Pretend like...
So Candy, why did you come here today?